BMW is preparing to launch the Neue Klasse sedan, and if you're thinking about buying one, there are a few important things you should understand first. Because this isn't just another electric BMW, it's the foundation of BMW's next generation of EVs, designed to compete directly with luxury electric sedans like the Tesla Model S and the Mercedes-Benz EQE. BMW says this new platform will deliver longer driving range, faster charging, and better efficiency than its current electric vehicles. But numbers alone don't make a car great. The real question buyers should ask is simple. Will the Neue Klasse actually be a better electric car to live with than Tesla or Mercedes? Let's break it down with real data and what it means for buyers. Exterior design. One of the first things buyers will notice about the Neue Klasse sedan is that its design looks very different from most current BMW models. The styling is cleaner, simpler, and more aerodynamic. The classic BMW kidney grille remains, but it's now smaller and more integrated into the front design, since electric vehicles don't require as much cooling as gasoline engines. This matters because aerodynamics play a major role in electric vehicle efficiency and highway range. The Neue Klasse platform also uses a long wheelbase and short overhangs, which is common for EVs because the battery sits flat under the floor. For buyers, this layout brings two key advantages. First, it increases interior space, especially for rear passengers. Second, it improves weight distribution, which can help stability and handling. The sedan is expected to be similar in size to a traditional BMW 3 Series, making it practical for daily driving while still offering good interior space. Compared with the smooth and minimalist shape of the Tesla Model S, BMW still tries to keep a slightly sportier visual identity, something many buyers associate with the brand. From a buyer's perspective, this is important. Many EVs start to look very similar because of aerodynamic design priorities, but BMW is trying to keep a distinct personality. Interior and technology. Inside the Neue Klasse sedan, BMW is introducing a completely new interior concept. One of the most noticeable features is called panoramic vision. Instead of a traditional instrument cluster, important driving information is projected across the lower edge of the windshield. This creates a wide digital display visible directly in the driver's field of view. Speed, navigation instructions, and warnings can appear across this display while the driver keeps their eyes closer to the road. The main infotainment system will also include a large 17.9-inch central touchscreen used for navigation, media, and vehicle controls. However, BMW seems to be avoiding one of the biggest criticisms of modern EV interiors: too many touchscreen controls. Minimalist interiors may look futuristic, but many drivers still prefer physical controls for common functions like climate adjustments, especially when driving. BMW appears to be trying to balance modern digital displays with practical usability. Material quality is also expected to remain a strong point. BMW interiors traditionally focus on solid build quality, comfortable seats, and premium materials, which can make a big difference during long drives. The flat battery floor also increases rear passenger space, giving the cabin a more open feeling. Performance and driving. BMW's identity has always been connected to driving performance, and the new Klasse platform is designed to maintain that reputation in the electric era. The new EV architecture introduces 6th-generation battery technology using cylindrical battery cells. These batteries increase energy density by more than 20%, improving both efficiency and range. Battery capacity is expected to range between 75 kilowatt-hours and 105 kilowatt-hours depending on the model. That could allow driving ranges of around 373 miles or 600 kilometers or more under WLTP testing. Charging speeds are also improving significantly. The new Klasse platform uses an 800-volt electrical system, which allows much faster charging than many current EVs. BMW says 10 minutes of fast charging could add roughly 286 miles of range, or 300 kilometers, under ideal conditions. From a driving perspective, BMW is focusing not only on acceleration, but also handling balance and steering feel. From a buyer's perspective, this is one of the most interesting aspects of the new Classe platform, because BMW appears to be trying to solve a problem many EV owners talk about: how to keep electric cars engaging to drive, not just fast in a straight line. Some high-performance versions could produce over 600 horsepower, while extreme performance models may reach even higher outputs. Real-world ownership. This is where things become important for people who are actually planning to own the car. Electric cars can look impressive on paper, but the real ownership experience depends on practical factors. Charging convenience is one of the biggest considerations. Thanks to its 800-volt charging architecture, the new Classe platform could support charging speeds of up to 350 kilowatts, significantly reducing charging time during long trips. Maintenance costs should also be lower than traditional gasoline vehicles, because EVs have fewer mechanical components. There are no oil changes and less wear on brakes due to regenerative braking. However, insurance costs can sometimes be higher for electric vehicles because batteries and advanced sensors can be expensive to repair. Cold weather performance is another factor buyers should consider. Electric vehicle batteries often lose some efficiency in very cold temperatures, which can reduce range. For example, a buyer who regularly drives long highway distances during winter months should think about how charging availability in temperature might affect daily convenience. Resale value is still evolving across the EV industry. Well-known models like the Tesla Model S currently maintain strong resale demand, but newer EV platforms will need time to prove their long-term reliability. If you're considering the BMW Neue Klasse sedan, you're probably also looking at other luxury electric sedans. One of the obvious competitors is the Tesla Model S. The Model S currently starts at around $74,990, while the high-performance Plaid version can exceed $89,000. It offers up to 405 miles of range, extremely quick acceleration, and access to Tesla's large supercharger network. Another major competitor is the Mercedes-Benz EQE. The EQE typically starts around $74,900, depending on trim level. It offers around 305 miles of EPA range and focuses heavily on comfort, quietness, and luxury interior technology. BMW appears to be positioning the Neue Klasse sedan somewhere between these two competitors. More driver-focused than the Mercedes, more traditionally luxurious than the Tesla. BMW has not officially confirmed the exact price yet. However, industry estimates suggest the Neue Klasse sedan could start somewhere between $60,000 and $70,000, depending on battery size and trim level. That would place it slightly below some versions of the Tesla Model S and close to the entry point of the Mercedes-Benz EQE. So, who should actually consider buying it? This car will likely appeal to drivers who want a modern electric vehicle but still care about driving dynamics and traditional luxury design. Buyers who like the performance of Tesla but prefer a more conventional interior and driving experience may find BMW's approach appealing. However, there is one factor buyers should keep in mind. Because the Neue Klasse platform is completely new, long-term reliability and resale value will only become clear after several years of real-world ownership. But if BMW delivers on its promises, longer range, faster charging, and strong driving dynamics, the Neue Klasse sedan could become one of the most balanced electric luxury cars on the market, and possibly one of the most important BMWs in decades.